I welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming project, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and teach you how to check if a number is divisible or not. Let's go ahead and create integer variables of x, and let x be int, and then go ahead and request user to insert some things. Go ahead and say input, and tell the user insert the numerator. So insert the numerator, and y is going to be the denominator, so int y is going to be input, and go ahead and say insert the denominator. Now we have to check if this is divisible or not, so go ahead and say if x, which is the numerator, modulus y, which is the denominator, is equivalent to 0, that means it's divisible. Now we go ahead and print out. Go ahead and print out x, comma, is divisible, by. So check your spellings and make sure you don't run into problem. Is divisible by, give a comma, and by y. All right. Now if it is not, else go ahead and say print, then go ahead and say no, x is not divisible by y. So go ahead and put a comma right here so you don't run into problems, and that is all. So let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. I believe everything being equal is going to work out fine. So insert the numerator. So let's go ahead and insert the numerator right here, and let that be 10, and insert the denominator. Let's say 5. 10 is divisible by 5. Now let's go ahead and try out. Let's say 10 divided by 9. Insert numerator. Let's say 10, and the denominator be 7, and no, 10 is not divisible by 7. Can you see that? It's working out very fine. The code is just ready before you. Put it down on your own system, play around with it, and check out more on that. And if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.